So XRP holders, so this is an urgent update, and especially my friends, tonight we have take a very good profit. So therefore I make this video for all holders to kindly hold it, because the profit is absolutely in the future gone very fastly moving upward. There are two reasons, my friend, I explain you in this video to why they moving upward in the future. Absolutely, I tell you, kindly don't skip any second of this video to understand better. Now kindly like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news and update. Thank you so much everyone. Alright, let's come to the point. My friend, this time if you can see here, the XRP has completely fails down from last 24 hours. You can see from last 7 days, from last 7 days, minus 30.94% fails down. So absolutely this will be going up. You can see the price is being completely decreased now. From $2 to 1.68 USD. What a big fails, my friend. It's a half USD. Oh my goodness. So what we do in this turnaround is in this time, my brother, sell, hold or buy. Definitely if you starting selling, then exactly you are completely in the loss. So therefore you need to hold, and I know, my friend, in upcoming time, in the future, the price will be going up. There are two reasons to they go up. The main reason, the first reason is that, especially at the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving upward and the crypto market is wake up now. So kindly you need, my friends, to you hold it and wait for the end of month. I hope, my brother, the XRP will give you very good profit. And the second reason is that, my friends, to at the end of month, every short time investor, especially who invest for a short time, they are starting investing, and absolutely the price will be going up. But the current time, if you can see, my friends, they feel is down more than the average. You can see here, and they hit the resistance line. So if they hit the resistance line, then absolutely they are completely fails down. So kindly you need to hold it and be safe from loss, my brother. Kindly don't sell it, and remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you. So XRP holder, hold it and wait for the end of month. I hope they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.